Another home listed by Carolina Hurtado. Long and Foster Real Estate. This elegant 5-bedroom 3.5 bathrooms 3 levels Amherst model welcomes you with an impressive 2-story foyer flanked by formal living, dining room and stunning library with wood built-ins. As you come in you will notice the smart open main floor plan featuring a well-appointed kitchen with a center island, beautiful pendant lights and a sun-filled morning room with large windows providing plenty of natural light. At the heart of this home is the gourmet kitchen boosting GE profile stainless steel appliances with dual wall ovens and a 5-burner gas cooktop perfect for cooking and baking. Next to the kitchen the great family room with a gas fireplace for added style and coziness. Access the second floor via a dual staircase and find yourself in the master bedroom suite equipped with a 3-sided gas fireplace, recessed lights, tray ceiling, large walk-in closet, and luxurious master bath. Fully finished walkout lower level with upgrades galore, an ensuite, full bath, and exercise room.